Welcome back. Welcome back. We are live here on Thursday evening. Welcome back. Welcome back. We are live now. Tell everyone that we are live here. Tell everyone that Empire Crypto TV is on now. We're talking about blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading, and investing. Call everyone. Tell them we are live here. We are live on a Thursday evening. Crypto Cindy, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, Crypto King, on this lovely Thursday night?
I'm great. I'm great. I'm great. The market is also green, so there is no reason I can't smile. I mean, I've got everything to smile for. I'm looking forward to the day. I'm looking forward to the night. You just feel it in your blood, when the market is doing well. What about you?
Yes. Yeah, when the market is doing well, you get so super excited. When the market is going down, you start wanting to get more funds in order to buy more crypto. So in the crypto space, we are always smiling, smiling to get new coins, to get more coins, or smiling because you are making more money from what you had initially invested.
No, that's true. I mean, there are different strategies that you can employ in this market. So every time there is something to look forward to, even when the market is going down, when there is blood on the street, the market is red. Some of us will be looking forward to buy, accumulate more coins, to buy more coins at cheaper prices. And when the market is also going up, I mean, also we're smiling because those coins that we bought at very much cheap prices, they're also looking very much good, they're looking profitable. So every time, if you become a very good and strategic investor or a trader, especially a seasonal trader, a seasonal investor, you would understand different levels of the market in such a way that there's no boring time in the crypto space. But at the end of the day, at the end of the time, we know that this market is really going up. Regardless how much it can go down, this market is always gonna go up. So yeah, it's one of the easiest market to to invest in because it's one way, it's bullish, it's one way, it's up, it's one way. It's a matter of time to say, okay, when is it gonna reach this level? When is it gonna reach this goal or level or whatever your goal it is?
Yes, but let's also remember that the crypto space is still a very new market. So chances of us making a lot of money and while actually getting into the space now are very, very high. So imagine 10 years or 20 years from now, and you have not actually invested in crypto, your grandchildren will divorce you. By then I'm sure there'll be a divorce for parents and grandparents who did not actually trade into crypto, because now you'll be the reason that your family is now suffering in those years because you had not taken part currently.
Uh, Talking of that, I've got a tweet here from Rani. He said the richest people in the world will be the people that got into crypto between 2010 and 2021. So the richest people in the world will be the people who got into crypto between when cryptocurrency market started and this year.
Yes.
So we are one of the early adopters in this market. So there's no way we can actually fail. There's no way we can't make money, especially when we are taking action. Because also another gentleman on Facebook, he said, I've got friends who got introduced to this cryptocurrency market way back in 2017, but till today they don't even have a single satoshi. They don't even have a single cryptocurrency to show off or to just say I invested in this coin. So you might be having all this information, having all the knowledge, having all the experience about the cryptocurrency market, but not investing, not risking your money, not putting your money. That's a tragedy of a humankind, I will say.
That is really true. That is not only a tragedy for the humankind, but that's a tragedy for your whole family, for your generations that are coming forth. So this tweets that you've just showed us is just a testimony of what I've just said. That if you are not in the crypto space, don't actually expect that in future you are going to be well off. How are you going to be well off? The same problem that we are having currently now of people being unemployed, everyone wanting to register for the grant and stuff. We don't want those things to happen to our kids. So this is the reason why we are in the crypto space. This is the reason why we are educating people on a daily basis, making sure that people understand crypto, people are making their own money. People don't just need to forget about handouts. We cannot be a generation which will depend on handouts. Imagine our grandparents are getting 1.8 every month from the government. What are we going to do with 1.8 in the near future? Even though, yes, the money increases yearly, but it will not be enough. Imagine your peers will be billionaires because of the crypto space, and you'll be standing in the queue waiting for 3,000 or 4,000 rands that you'll be getting from there. You'll be hiding yourself because we'll be seeing you there. We'll be pushing big trolleys and you'll be hiding. So please don't do that to yourself. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV. Not only will you be investing in the crypto space, but you'll also be gaining knowledge on a daily basis that we're giving out for absolutely free. The only thing you need to do is subscribe. You are not paying a cent for subscribing. The only thing you're doing is making sure that you get reminders every single day when we are live so you do not miss a thing.
Talking of a trolley, it reminds me of our guest yesterday, a millionaire in the crypto and network marketing space, Tobis Mapumulo, was here on this show. You mentioned something like when it goes to the shops or supermarkets, he's no longer having a list. It doesn't write a list. It doesn't budget. He just goes, takes his wallet, takes his cards, and then goes to the shops and then starts shopping, start buying. But now we find most people, I mean, you have to write a list and see, check the money if the money is going to be enough, and then go to the shops. And then sometimes when you are in the shop, by the till, you end up leaving some of the things because the money is not enough. So we ought to grow to a certain level whereby you just go to the shop without having a list. Just start buying, buying, buying. Isn't that nice life? Problems, nice life. I
Yes,
mean, you reach a
exactly.
level whereby money is no longer a problem. Money is no longer an issue. Maybe you've got some other problems like health problems, maybe social problems or whatsoever the reason. But if money is not a problem, that's what I want. I mean, money mustn't be a problem.
Yes, I remember well yesterday he also told us that he doesn't have a problem with money now. The only problem he has in terms of money is how to spend it. So imagine those are nice life problems. You just have a problem when we're asking you what's wrong with you. You seem depressed today. You're like, oh, I've got so much money, I don't even know what to buy. Imagine, huh? Those are nice life problems. This is actually what everyone wants. But the first thing, in order for you to reach such levels, is not only to watch what is going on in the crypto space and wait and I will keep telling people that one day Bitcoin will go back to zero. But make sure you participating in the crypto space while it is still the early stages. This is still brand new. If you enter now, that is the best thing you can ever do for your life, not only for yourself, but for your generations to come. So this is the place to be. I don't know where are other people, why are people watching TV at this time instead of watching their own futures now?
Christoph, welcome to Empire FM. We are live here at Empire Crypto TV. Go over to YouTube and subscribe on our YouTube channel so that you do not miss all these or most of these live shows that we have every day, 7 p.m. All right, what's the discussion of the day, Crypto Cindy? Without wasting much time, what are we talking about today?
Okay, so today we are talking about Bitcoin and the Shiba Inu pumps. So we've seen this week almost everyone in the crypto space has been talking about Bitcoin, has been talking about Shiba Inu. So today we are talking about that. We cannot leave our viewers behind. We need to make sure they are on top of the game and find out exactly what is going on. What is pumping these coins so highly now in October?
Yay! Bitcoin crossed the 50,000 US dollars. Yay! Shiba Inu coin is doing wonders these days. So much noise about Shiba Inu coin. Who thought a dog? A dog is howling. A dog is howling. It's happening.
Yeah,
Dogs are crazy.
it's
Dogs are not really sleeping these days. They are
yeah.
only they're everywhere.
Yeah, it's gone are those days when we had dogs which we had to buy food for, and you had to feed your dog just to make sure that it keeps protecting you. But now our dogs are not only protecting our yards, they are also protecting our wallets. They are making sure that they are putting money in our bank accounts so that we can buy them food. So we are happy. Our dogs are working for us now.
Oh yeah, yeah. All right, no, Christoph, let's get moving. Let's get started. Bitcoin surged to its highest level in 5 months as market sentiment continued to improve, due in part to news a hedge fund controlled by a billionaire investor, George Soros, trades Bitcoin. George Soros, hedge fund, is trading Bitcoin. Investors also expect a seasonal rally in cryptocurrencies this quarter. The world's largest cryptocurrency in terms of market value rose to 55,400 US dollars, its highest since mid May. It passed the 50,000 mark for the first time in 4 weeks on Tuesday amid other things mounting institutional interest. According to reports on Wednesday, Soros Fund Management confirmed at a Bloomberg Summit that the fund is trading Bitcoin. We own some coins, not a lot. Don Fitzpatrick, the fund's chief executive, was quoted as saying, there are seasonal factors as well. Bitcoin performs historically well in October, which almost makes the rising price now a self fulfilling prophecy. Okay, according to you, Crypto Cindy, what's the reason behind this pump? I mean, behind the Bitcoin pump? Of course, there are so many factors. It looks like there are so many other factors that are behind this pump. Bitcoin, tsunami. It's a tsunami time.
It exactly is. So we see the Bitcoin is flying high, and it's actually say that historically Bitcoin has been doing very well annually in October. So October, it's just the time when Bitcoin shows off normally. So now the reason for this, which I think is just partly due to the market cycle we are in, where there's so much emotional part where it plays a significant role. Now we've recently seen that the bank the Bank of America crop has published on Monday its first research coverage focused on cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. We've also heard that the US Bancorp announced it's launched a cryptocurrency custody service for institutional investment managers who have private funds in the US and also in Cayman Islands. And we've also seen that not only is Bitcoin doing well, but we've also seen other small coins, also typically those who usually follow Bitcoin. Those are an example like Ethereum. We saw Ethereum rising for about 2.2%, actually reaching around 3,500 US dollars. We've also seen Ripple not being left behind. Ripple has also showed us this week that it's also going high. It's also past the $1.07% mark, and it just keeps on going up and down around there, but it is also doing well.
Great stuff. Great news. Good news. It means, does this mean we have a lot of new investors flocking into the crypto space? Is that indication?
Okay, so according to Ben Macmillan, who is Chief Investment Officer at IDX Digital Assets. Now, he says that a factor based cryptocurrency index strategy noted that based on an analysis of on chain data, he is seeing a steady rise on a number of new Bitcoin addresses after a huge drop in the first half of the year, and as well as increasing number of Bitcoin movement off. So it's not just because of you getting new people coming in, it's more of the people who were in the crypto space who are actually buying more.
Mm, okay. All right. Um, At the altcoins, of course, we see Bitcoin doing wonders, doing well. I mean, it has crossed the 50,000 mark and it has reached the 55,000 mark also. Looking bullish, I mean, looking positive going forward. But are the altcoins also following suit? Are they also on their way up or they're still slacking behind? What's your view on that?
Other tokens are actually being left behind though. So this actually shows us that Bitcoin may be breaking away from the pack, because usually in the past we would see that when Bitcoin does well, a lot of altcoins would actually follow. And then when goes down, we'd also see them crushing, others going from number 15 to number 100 and something. So we've actually seen that now there's a difference in the pattern. So not everyone is just being a follower of Bitcoin now. We've actually seen that a lot this week, but we've seen that Ethereum, which is now the second largest crypto in the market value, was actually up this week at its highest of a percentage of around 3.3%, which it reached 3,570 US dollars. This was yesterday on Wednesday. And we saw some smaller tokens where there was a mixed bag. So it was cryptocurrencies like Cardano, which was off for around 0.9%, leading it. Also, we've also seen Solana going down for about 5%. So not everyone is now just following Bitcoin. That is a very good sign that we know that now, all the other ones are now also very independent. And some of the biggest meme tokens in the meanwhile, as we've said, we've seen Dodge also going up by more than 8%. We saw Shiba actually doing wonders, as we said. Now we know that the Shiba coin and the Dodge are mostly connected to the Tesla CEO, which is Elon Musk, who has periodically talked about Dodge and tweeted a picture this week actually about the Shiba Inu puppy this week, and that has actually fueled its performance to greatness this week.
All right. While it's talking about meme coins, what is it all about Shiva? Shiva. I mean, we are so used to Dodge, and there's Shiva now. What's happening? What's behind this dog? What's behind this dog?
Now, Shiba, we've seen that it jumped on Monday after Elon Musk's tweet. It jumped to 30%. So it jumped by 30% just after that tweet. And we know that the Tesla boss tweeted just a picture of a Shiba Inu puppy, which is called Flocky. Now, it was just a hashtag Shib, and it started trending on Twitter. Now, the latest tweet also caused the hashtag SHIB to start trending on Twitter as retail traders also cheered the price surge. Now the Shiba Unicorn, which was founded in 2020 August as an Ethereum based alternative to Dogecoin, now it surged in comments on 4chain Monday as well. Data from topscant.com also showed that. Now on Twitter, many noted that the, the coin deleted as zero from its decimal, because we know that it's 0.0000. There were like five zeros after the comma. So now we are very happy. One zero has been down. So it's four zeros after the comma now. So we're also seeing that yes, it is still less than a penny. Just one is still less than a penny. So with $1, you get so many Shiba Inu's, even though there has been so much hype this week on it.
We gave away some Shiba Inu coins in the last month. I think last month we're giving away Shiba Inu coins in this platform. So it means we're giving away something valuable. We should have kept those coins. And how much would be worth now? Can you imagine? I mean, we gave away to our viewers. Now the coins are doing wonders. And you kept saying, you once said that these coins in the near future, this coin is gonna gain value. And it happens. It's happening now. We see it. It's happening. Hmm.
Yes. And I don't think we made a mistake by giving our viewers, because now remember, these viewers are also giving something to us. They are subscribing, they are buying data, they are not watching TV at 7 to 8 just to make sure that we are not speaking alone. So I think it's a very good thing, because you find other people that want to invest in the crypto space, but because of financial situations, they cannot. So finding platforms whereby they're gaining education and we're giving them free coins, and we're not just giving them shit coins, we are giving them coins which are worthwhile. So they are actually seeing that we are not only giving them knowledge, we are giving them the free coins, which they can actually see that whatever amount we had given to them, compared to what it is now, compared to what it was when we gave it to them, they have seen progress in the crypto space.
All right. Tell me about Elon Musk. I mean, you kept mentioning Elon Musk. We know he's a tech guy. What effect does he have, especially on the crypto space, on the market? Can you actually just give us some insights?
Okay, so before I give you an insight, let's just look at this guy. So there he is, saying to the moon, to the moon. So we know this guy as the guy that takes our cryptos to the moon. This is our moon guy. So
It's
he
taking
is
us to the
literally
moon.
takes our coins to the moon. And by doing so, you know what happens also to our wallets? They also show us waves. They also go to the moon. So this guy has actually been one person that's been doing wonders for us and making sure that he's taking not only our coins but also taking our wallets to the moon. Now we've actually seen him. So there's something called now the Elon Musk effect. So the Elon Musk effect has actually just been a key driver in the dramatic cryptocurrency price swings, especially this year. Now, through his influence over the crypto market has been a warning to some. So other people, not only him, have also now showed interest because of him, and others, yes, they were interested in crypto, but because after we started following him and seeing him speaking about crypto, we then were introduced to other people. So we also have other people who are billionaire investors like Mark Cuban and also AMC CEO Adam Aron. Now they've also stepped in to continue hyping the Dogecoin, and Elon Musk has once again created a buzz in the meme in this that we spoke about now, which is the Shiba Inu, making sure that the Shiba Inu is going to the moon and removing 1-0. We're hoping it goes to above that. And there were also rumors that he actually said that he was going to try and push the Shiba Unicorn to $1. Imagine that.
I remember you've mentioned several times on this platform that you sold your coins to buy Shiba. Can you verify that? And can you share those news with us here? It looks like you've been smiling this week. I mean, you can't close your smile. I mean, for a
Yes.
long time, I haven't seen you this smiley. Okay, tell us, share the story with us here.
This was a very, very good week. A very good week, guys. You know, when I sold my Ripple, I was one person that believed so much in Ripple, but Ripple just this year was not doing so well because of the court cases and stuff. So I was one of the people when I heard about Shiba, I was like, you know what, I've got no new funds to invest in. So let me rather convert my Ripple into the Shiba Inus, and I did so. So there was a time when Ripple was going high, and I was starting to regret it, and I was like, "Oh, what did I do? What did I do?" But guess what? Now I've got so many millions of the Shiba Inu thanks to Ripple. So I am smiling all the way, not to the bank, all the way just to check my wallets. and I am waiting for Shiba Inu not even to reach $1. I'm just thinking maybe if it can just reach 15 cent, 10 cent, I am good to go.
No, Christoph, I mean, we are talking of something live. I mean, there's so much happened this week with Shiba Inu, especially the investors. I mean, I know people have got bags full of Shiba Inus. And can you imagine? I mean, 5,000 invested on Shiba Inu, whichever time, now it
Mm,
has turned, I mean, to 20,000 rands. This is just an example of what has happened. I saw another Facebook post saying, I invested 300 rands, and my 300 rands on Shiba Inu, it has turned to 2,700. Imagine 300 rands turning to 2,700.
yes.
Just in a very short period of time. There's so much money that is being made in this cryptocurrency market.
Yes, there is so much money to be made in the crypto space. And exactly what the people that we've been inviting, our crypto millionaires, have been preaching every week is that in the crypto space, the only thing you need to do is educate yourself. You do not need any degree. You don't need to know anyone in parliament. You don't need connections. So this is one place where everything is fair. You are your own goalkeeper. You are the striker. If you don't want to score, you will not score. You will sit there and start complaining. But otherwise, the crypto space is where people are making millions. Yesterday, Mtobisi was telling us that in the crypto space, he has made more than 70 million. Where else can you get that?
Mm. All right. No, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening. The market is juicy. I mean, you just need a bit of information, a bit of knowledge, and then get started. But of course, yeah, do not, you must always do your own research. Do your own
Yes.
research. Go into the market, check what's happening, and then get moving. Right. There is a tweet. Someone saying, "Can I get Shiba in coin donation?" You tell them what they have to do.
Okay. Tabiso? In order for you to get the donation, and not only you, all the other viewers, in order to get a Shiba Uni donation, the only thing you need to do is you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Empire Crypto TV. And from there, you just need to write under this video that you have subscribed. If you don't have a wallet, and then we will then send you a link. So you'll register on Binance and get a wallet, and then we will send you Shiba Uni coins. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and we will definitely send you that donation.
Yeah. Just go over to our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV, and subscribe. And then, of course, we normally give people some coins here. We shower people with some money. We shower people with coins. The most important thing is that make sure that you listen, watch our live broadcast every day, 7 p.m. We always bring some prizes, some gifts, some all right, there we go. Somebody subscribed. Okay, thanks, Matome. Long time, man. Long time. I think I believe you are the person that I know. It's been long time, man. How's it going? How's business? I think you're in Limpopo. How's business that side? Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. Thanks for tuning in. We are live here every day, 7 p.m. All right. Okay. There is all right. This one. Wow, 5,000 to, of course, this is the cryptocurrency market. I mean, it's happening. These are live figures. I mean, people are making real money, good money in this market. So, at some point, if you tell people who are not in the crypto space about these figures, they will tell you are crazy. They will tell you, no, man, there's something wrong with you. But if you start coming into the crypto space and talking about big figures, no one gets we get excited, of course, but it's not that excitement that is. There's a different excitement that we have now. If you become an investor or a trader in the crypto space, there is a different excitement that you actually have. Oh,
Yeah.
how would you describe that, Crypto Cindy?
Yeah, that excitement is something that a person who is not in the crypto space cannot understand. So when you start waking up in the morning and you see that the crypto that you actually bought or some of the cryptos that you bought are doing wonders. No one can spoil your day. There's no bad news. No matter what anyone says, you'll still be smiling. And people will start thinking you're insane, but you know exactly that is the crypto excitement.
All right, Sochi, Captain, all the way from Lesotho. I haven't seen you for some weeks or some days. We haven't been on the show for some time. Welcome back, and yeah, you're one of the family, one of the person who's always here. All right, Crypto Cindy, what now for Shiba Inu? What now? Is it the end of it? I mean, we see a lot of noise about it, especially this week. Is it still gonna make a lot of noise going forward? Are the fundamentals behind so strong that it can take it to another level? Do you still believe on it? Can we sell now? Can we liquidate our positions, sell whatever is we've gained, and move away from Shiba Inu? Or we need to keep building, keep holding, keep investing? What's your opinion?
We are buying more. We are buying more Shiba. Shiba is still got a long way to go. Shiba has still got 4 zeros to kill before it gets 5 zeros actually to kill before it gets to $1. So the best thing to do now is not to sell your Shiba, but to actually buy. You are going to regret it. If you sell your Shiba now, you will feel as if you were bewitched when we are all billionaires in the near future. So the best thing to do is just forget about the withdrawal button when it comes to Shiba Inu, but just remember the deposit tab whereby you are buying more of the Shiba Inu. Now, right now, the tokens are the native currency in the decentralized exchange, which is called the Shiba Swap. Now, users can use their Shiba to earn rewards to provide actually for trading liquidity, to buy and to sell non which is the NFT tokens, which is the tokens. You can stack them, you can earn interest for validating transactions and more. So there's so much you can do with the Shiba Inu. So it's not just a useless dog that doesn't even bark. So it's got so many uses. So we can actually make more. You don't actually need to just buy. Maybe you don't have money to buy, but you can stack them and make sure that you're getting more. So there are so many things that we can do to make sure that we are getting more and more Shiba Inu. So by the time they reach just $1, we're not even thinking $1,000, just one. By the time it reaches $1, we will be smiling all the way to the bank.
All right. I've got a tweet here. It says, where is it? Where is it? Okay. I closed it. All right. It says, can Shiba surpass Doge? Can Shiba hit the top 10 in coin market cap? And then, can we stop talking about Doge and focus on Shiba Inu? I mean, can we forget about Doge and start focusing on Shiba Inu? Is it possible? Is it the right thing to do?
I believe in diversifying. Like, in my house right now, I've got two different dogs. I don't have one kind of a dog. I have got a pit bull, I've got a German Shepherd. So I've got two different dogs in the same yard. So that is the very same thing we are going to be doing also in our wallets. We are going to be having the Dodge. We are also going to be having the Shiba. So we are not killing one dog just because we got a new one. No, we are not doing so, unfortunately.
Tomorrow we must bring your dogs. We want to see them on the screen here.
Yeah.
Is yeah, we must bring them.
But these dogs, no. You know what? I was going to bring these dogs to the screen only if they were Shiba Inus. Then I know that I'm bringing them to the screen. They are coming to work because they are also working in my wallet. Now they still want me to buy dog mouse. No, no, no.
All right, tell me what's the story behind what's the story of Vitalik Buterin? I mean, he's also being spoken about, especially on the Shiba Inu. What is it about with him? I mean, we know he's a founder of Ethereum. Is he also involved in the project of Shiba?
Now, this guy has actually donated 1 billion US dollars worth of Shiba to the India's COVID crypto relief fund. So we know that in India, there was so much news in everywhere just speaking about how COVID is bad, where they were lacking the oxygen and stuff. So he has actually donated 1 billion US dollars worth of Shiba to them in terms of the Shiba to make sure that they've got funds to relieve themselves in terms of COVID, to buy whatever they need there. So we are seeing a lot of transactions now. This is actually also telling us that now our Shibas are actually doing something worthwhile. So when we see Shiba is also sent as a token, sent as a donation somewhere, so they're doing exactly like us. We are also donating to people who need the Shiba Unis. So he's also donating to people who are in need, because we know that coronavirus is something that is killing everyone everywhere. So it's not only in South Africa, in India, everywhere. But India needed the money more because we have seen the conditions there.
All right. Yes, there are some people in the comment section. They are asking where do they subscribe. Yes, go on our YouTube channel. Find search Empire Crypto TV as you can see on the screen. Empire Crypto TV, Empire Crypto TV on YouTube. Subscribe on our channel, and then we'll send your Shiba Inus. Just also come here and say on the screen that you have subscribed. So far, we have got um all right, let me check who people have subscribed. Hey, this gentleman is very fast. He's also sent his address. Same time. Doesn't waste time. I know him. He's hungry for money. I mean, he loves money. All right, I've subscribed on your YouTube channel,
Mm.
so you go live every day on Facebook at 7 to 2 2000. Yes, we are live every day, 7 p.m. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Watch from our YouTube channel. Also, tick that bell so that it will notify you every time we go on live on YouTube. So we are always live on YouTube. Some of the days we are not live on here on Facebook and other platforms, but we make sure that we are live on YouTube. So go over on our YouTube channel and subscribe. All right, and then we spoke. We've got Tabi, so here we has also subscribed. We're gonna talk to him privately and get his Shiba Inu address. All right, Shiba Inu address so that we can send the Shibas to him. All right, all right. Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else has subscribed? Who else deserves Shiba Inu? Who else deserves Shibas? Who else deserves Shibas? Okay, all right. Okay, we've got Lisijo subscribed. I've subscribed. Okay, you deserve Shivas. All right, we're gonna talk to you privately, and get your address. Then we send your Shivas. We are generous here. I mean, we talk money, so we have got money. We give away some money. We love our viewers. We are built in one of the biggest crypto community. So yeah, we want everyone to be on the same level, especially when it comes to creating this money, making this money. All
Yes.
right, Lisijo, we're gonna talk to you privately and get your address, and then we send your Shiba Inus to your address. Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else is going to subscribe on our YouTube channel? That we gonna actually send the Shiba Inus, Shibas. Who
I think
else?
we must also just show them quickly how to subscribe.
Ah, okay, all right, all right. Let me just quickly see if I can actually. Oh yeah, this is how you do it. Uh, Let me do the practical way also. Let me do the practical way also. All right. Okay. All right. This is our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. You can see when you go to YouTube and search Empire Crypto TV, you're going to find this channel. There is a button that says subscribe. Once you click on that button, is subscription. You have subscribed. You're not going to pay anything. You are not paying anything, but it enables you to be part of the community, to be part of us, so that every time we go live, you can actually get a notification that we are live. So you can just go there and subscribe. There will be a button here that says subscribe. That's it. You just subscribe. You're not going to pay anything. We don't need your banking details. In fact, we don't need your money. We've never asked anyone some money here. If anyone says they are from Empire Crypto TV and then they need money from you, they are not from us. We don't need your money. We don't ask money from you. We've got our own money. We don't ask anyone's money. So yeah. Um you can see, guys, we've got so many other videos that can help you to learn about crypto. Right, let me just click on videos so that you can, these are past videos that you can go through. Shiba Inu, this is the one that we are live on. We've got yesterday we spoke about crypto lifestyle and network millionaires. People were walking the talk. People were making money. The crypto millionaires, people who have made so much money. We've got all these videos: Dogecoin versus Bitcoin Cash, cryptocurrencies, ETFs. We've got so many videos that you can watch and understand, learn about the cryptocurrency market. We're all about educating the African child to make them understand, to make them profitable in this market. So take this moment, go onto our YouTube channel and subscribe. Okay, all right. I see people are subscribing. I see Tapelo there. You have done it. Tapelo, we're gonna contact you on your private handle to get your address. We've seen there you have subscribed, and then we see here Koena also, I have subscribed. All right, no, great stuff. All right, we've got Moses. Well done, Moses. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. Be here every day. We are live at 7 p.m. We are live at 7 p.m. Of course, I'm still explaining about the channel. You can see, guys, crypto analysis, smart contracts. These are topics, these are discussions, guys, that can actually take you from zero to hero, that can give you all the strategies, that can empower you, give you that much needed skills in this cryptocurrency market. So go over onto our YouTube channel and start watching all these videos. They are for you, they are for free. You just have to load data into your phone and then start learning from our YouTube channel. We do this all for you guys so that everyone get into our level, everyone get into this space the right way. So there are so many other videos, as you can see, that you can follow, that you can watch on your spare time while you are alone at home or in the library or wherever there is network. What I normally do, what I used to do, or I normally do, especially even when I'm driving, I download videos that I would like to watch or listen while I'm driving, and then put the phone on the side or on the dashboard. And while I'm driving, I'll be listening, I'll be watching, So every time I do not have time to waste, every minute count for me. That's why even by this time in my house I don't have a DSTV, guys, but I make sure that I pay 1,000 rand for fiber internet. So I do not have a DSTV. I don't watch DSTV. The last time I watched DSTV, it was 2 years ago. So I no longer watch DSTV. I no longer watch TV. On TV, there's YouTube videos. Even my family now, they rely on YouTube. They watch YouTube, different videos that are talking about future, that are talking about money. So I'm trying to give into put you into a picture that, guys, it's all about learning, researching, understanding where the world is going so that you can catch up also. You can be on the same level with others who are moving the talk. Someone investing 5,000 rands 2 months ago, and this month is already 20,000 rands. That's awesome,
Yes.
guys, but it's very much achievable in this space. How can you get to that level? It's understanding, learning about the cryptocurrency market, having all this information, knowing which coins are going to go up, knowing which market, knowing which project to invest in. So it's very much possible. So I urge everyone, guys, to really find it that you buy data, stop paying your DSTV, stop wasting your time, stop playing around. It's time to make money. Our ancestors played a lot, our forefathers played a lot. It's that time now we take this bull with our horns, and then we start making money. Let's learn, guys. All right, great stuff. Go over onto our channel and subscribe, and then let's make it happen. All right, all right, all right, all right. Crypto Cindy, what are the
Yes.
breaking news? Share with us. What are the breaking news for today?
Okay, so today on our breaking news, okay, there is, so we're seeing people very excited dancing there. So there's our breaking news. Now, our breaking news today, we've got one of Germany's oldest banks. Now, they are tapping into Fireblocks to custody customers' crypto. Now, what this basically means is that now this old bank in Germany, which is currently 267 years old, it was a private bank for people in Germany. Now, it has actually showed some interest in the crypto space. Now, they've actually said that they do not want to be left behind. They are now expanding their digital asset and crypto services offering to their customer base. So they don't want to be left behind. They don't want to lose their current customer base that they have, because they are then going to be left behind by not being in the crypto space. So they are now in partnership with this company called Fireblocks, so that they can actually help them to create a secure and easy to use platform to develop complex operational workflows, such as moving between asset trading and custody, stacking assets in custody, and even the direct integration between lending protocols to extend their service portfolios. So this is actually a very good sign. In the past, we've been speaking about our reserve banks, we've been speaking about banks, we've been speaking about banks not wanting to be involved in the crypto space. So now we are seeing a very, very, very old we're actually seeing a very old bank from Germany, which is now involved in the crypto space, which is a very good thing, because now we know that in other countries, yes, other countries are slower than others, but if we are seeing progress in other countries, we definitely know that progress is definitely coming to our countries also.
All right, no, great stuff. Good news. It's very much positive news. These are the news that we're looking for in the crypto space. I mean, remember, this market is for the people. We normally say fiat currency is for the government. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is for the people, by the people. So this is the market. This is the market for people. So as we
Yes.
hear all these positive news, all these freshly news, breaking news, it's very much exciting in the crypto space, because more people are coming into this space. More people are realizing that the cryptocurrency market is here to liberate us. So yeah, these are positive news. All right. On the market analysis, let me check what we have on the markets. All right. Seems like Bitcoin is
Yeah,
um,
moving myself
okay. All right.
there.
Okay, Bitcoin holding at 54,000 US dollars, and whilst we're still talking, Ethereum is pushing harder. I mean, it's going to 4,000 US dollars. It's really pushing harder. I mean,
Yes.
can you see the numbers? Can you see it's really fighting? It's a fight. I mean, it's a fight on the field. So Ethereum is really pushing harder. We see Bitcoin also. Cardano. In fact, the whole market is really live. The whole market is coming up. Let me just find the coin that we are talking about. This is the coin that we are actually doing the review of, Shiba Inu. Can see in the past 24 hours, it has gone up by 16%, 260% in the last week, in the last 7 days, 260%, 16% in the last 24 hours. So good news. These are good news. All right, let's check a little bit about this coin. All right, you can see there you go. If you want to buy Shiba Inu, it's still, the price is very much affordable. People always ask, give me some coins that are still under a cent, that are still very much cheap. This is one of the coin that is very much cheap and is promising. As we had, Crypto Cindy said something about projects that are behind this coin. So there's so much happening behind this coin. You can see 0.00002202. I even got tired mentioning these zeros. So it's still very much cheap.
Yes.
You can still invest on this coin and watch your money grow over a period of time. Of course, look, I will not really say the market can actually invest. You can invest today, then tomorrow the market is 100% or so. But anything can happen. Invest today, something happens to tomorrow. Invest today, something happens in the next few months. Something happens in the next few years. I mean, especially those who have been in the cryptocurrency market for some time, they can attest to this. We've got some people, we've got some of us who invested, we've got coins, portfolios that we invested in 2016, 2017. All these years they've been down, but they've actually done brilliantly well this year. So it's a long-term investment, it's a long-term projection, but anything can happen in the short term, anything can happen in the mid-term, anything can happen in the long term. So this is the market for long term, for short term, for mid term, for long term. All right, depending on your trading and investing strategy. All right. Okay. She's asking there, Sizwe, where can I buy Shiba Inu? All right. The first thing where you can buy, we're giving away free Shiba Inu, guys, on this platform. So Sizwe, go over onto our YouTube channel and subscribe. And then we're gonna give you some Shiba Inus. All right. Just go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Then you get Shibas. But of course, if you need
Yes.
more of these coins, this is the market. These are the exchanges where you can actually get these coins. We've got Binance, we've got Coinbase Exchange, we've got Huobi Global, we've got Get.io, KuCoin, Coinbase, Uniswap, FTX, Poloniex. Okay, there's so many exchanges, guys, where you can buy this Shiba Inu. And of course, closer to home, we've got Alcon Trader.
Yes.
Alcon Trader does have Shibas, guys. So you
Yes.
do not have headache to say, how can I get my money to Poloniex? How can I get my money to Binance or something? You can get Shiba Inus just closer to home. Alcon Trader does have. So yeah, there's no headache here. There's no headache here. All right. Okay. All right. So these are exchanges. I want to see the statistics. All right. Let me. I have to reduce the font in order for me to go to where I want to go. All right, and obviously I have to go to here and then show here. Is it still visible or it's no longer visible there?
No, it's visible now. It was a bit small, but now you've increased it, so it's much better.
I don't know how to get it because now what I want is hidden now. I can't see it. Um, all right. I'll just have to call some numbers here.
Okay.
All right. In the last 52 weeks, oh, these zeros are too many. I mean, it's very much cheap. In the last 52 weeks, the lowest it has been to 0.00000516. And in the last 30 days, it's been to 0.00000545. But obvious, okay, you can just go to Coin Market Cap and check the statistics of this project and see if it's something worth your while, something worth looking at, something worth investing at. But of course, some of us we have invested in this project, and with this bull run, we've gained some good profits. We've gained some good profits. Can also just see what this project is all about. Check the explanation about this project. What is Shiba Inu? You can go over and research more about this project. And on our channel, also a few weeks back, we spoke about this project. We talk about it in length, so you can always find the video where we spoke about this project in length. All right, who else has subscribed? Who else has subscribed? Did you see Zimbini?
Zimbini. Yes, I found Zimbini. Tofana.
All right, did you write them down? I see you holding a
Yes.
pen there. Are you writing them
Yes.
down? All
Yes.
right, no, Krista, I
I've
could
got
see that
them.
you are writing there. All right, anyone, anyone? Ndembego Sosibo. All right, thank you, sir. Nice analyst. Thank you, sir. We are live every day, 7 p.m. So make sure that you watch this channel from our YouTube channel every day, 7 p.m. We bring you breaking news, news analysis, coins that are about to go up. All this information is found here. Um, all right, here's another. What can you say about Matic? Matic, oh yeah, it's a good coin. It's a great project. Matic is a great project. Matic Polygon, it's a great project. I've invested on
Yes.
Matic. I've got good coins. I think I've got 4,000 Matic Polygon coins on my portfolio. So yeah, we're waiting for it to break up. Currently, it's trading, I think, around $1.30, $1.40. But let me quickly check the updated price because this market has been doing wonders for the day. So let me quickly check how much Matic is doing, how much is trading today.
I think it was around $1.28.
Yeah,
Let's check it.
it's $1.28.
Still there, yes.
Uh, all right, here's Matic. All right, Matic is $1.28. We're waiting for it to break to $3, $5, and eventually to $10. Wow, we'll be sitting on the money. We'll be sitting. What a time to be alive! I mean,
I
what a
don't think you'll
time
be
to be
sitting on
alive.
the money. I think the money will be sitting on you. There'll be too much money. If you had to now be sitting on that money, that means you'll be in heaven because it will be so high.
Yeah. Look, we are here for long term and it's been rewarding, more rewarding. So yeah, Opa, please go over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Wanna send you some Shiba coins. I mean, we want everyone here. Want everyone here to get these Shibas. We have got so many of them. So want everyone here to get Shiba Inu coins. So go over
Yeah.
to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Then you get yourself Shibas, just like that. We only
You
come to
know,
your inbox to ask for your Shiba address. Then we can send these coins. But we never come to your inbox and ask for money. If somebody from Empire Crypto TV comes to your inbox asking for some money, never do that. Never do that. Never do that. All right. The question again: the man has invested on. Let me check. What's your price prediction on Matic in June next year? I'm holding. Christoph, keep holding. By June next year, Matic currently is $30. All right. By next year, Matic Polygon, based on the ecosystem, the markets around this coin, the markets around this project, the solutions that is actually undertaking on this space. By next year, it will not be. It will be around $5. I'll put my head on $5 for Matic Polygon by next year. $5. All right. Remember this. Screenshot this, and then we're gonna talk about it next year.
yes.
All right. This is asking, and they call it, you're giving someone a hand, they asking an arm. This guy is
Yeah.
Miss Machome is asking for 100 Matic.
Yes.
All right, send me at least 100 Matic Polygon. We'll give you Shibas. Don't worry, we'll give you Shibas. Shibas are stronger, much stronger. Thanks, man. Thanks for trying. Thanks. All right, now great stuff. All right, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and then we're gonna come to your inbox and ask for your address, Shiba address, to send you these coins. Then done, just by subscribing. Um, all right, Ma Cindy. I think you subscribed long time ago. I would wonder how all this time you haven't subscribed. How all this time you haven't subscribed on our YouTube channel? Because you're one of the people that are alive on the space. Welcome back, Masindi. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching today. Um, thank you for watching today. Thank you. All right, Crypto Cindy, shall we close? Anything from your side?
No, nothing from my side. I think we have covered everything. We just like to thank everyone for being with us yet again on this Thursday afternoon. And don't forget, with everyone that said they have subscribed, we are going to go through all our subscribers to make sure that you are there. Yes, there are other people that have subscribed a long time ago, but they never got anything. So yes, those they are. We can still actually give them the Shiba units because now they are loyal. They are loyal, not customers, but loyal family members. Yes, we will give them. And those that just say subscribe, but they haven't subscribed, unfortunately, we will not be giving them the coin. So we are going to go through each and every name that I got here to make sure that we are giving people who deserve these coins. Okay, so thank you very much for your time again. We are definitely going to be with you tomorrow. Make sure you are here with us. We are live at 7 p.m. until 8 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe. And what the Crypto King is always saying to us on a daily basis is that crypto was here yesterday, crypto is here today, and crypto will definitely be here in the future with us.
All right. I've sent on the comment section our YouTube link. If you wanna subscribe, go to the comment section where you're watching this live broadcast from. If you're watching from the pages, we are streaming to different pages on social networks. Different pages. Some are groups, some are pages. So you can go there and find the link to subscribe. All right. All right, there we go. All right, okay, there we go. All right, yes, thank you guys. Njalo ngo 7 niba online. Of course, yes. The most important thing, go to our YouTube channel and click subscribe. Every day we are live at 7 p.m. No mistake, unless even if Facebook is shut down, we are live. We never go off. We are live. You know, no matter what, dark or blue, we always live 7 p.m. Thank you so much for coming through. Thank you so much for giving us your ears. Thank you. Thank you. Great stuff. Super.